Hi all, welcome to the ChatGPT's latest release note summary. So ChatGPT is rolling out new features for Plus users, including web browsing and plugins. Users can now enable beta features in their settings. ChatGPT has also made updates to its model, including the ability to turn off chat history and export data. And Plus users can now try the latest model of ChatGPT 4 with enhanced capabilities. ChatGPT Plus users can try experimental features via a new beta panel which is available in ChatGPT settings. So 2 new features has been included, which is browsing and plugins. And third-party plugins can be enabled by following instructions, which is made available in ChatGPT's official website. Legacy model GPT-5 3.5 will be deprecated on May 10th. And ChatGPT is announcing experimental support for AI plugins, including browsing code interpreter and third-party plugins. And now users can join the waitlist to try the new plugins. And ChatGPT, the latest model, GPT-4, is available for ChatGPT Plus users with enhanced capabilities. So GPT has updated its model to serve more users and default the Plus users to a faster version. And Plus users can now choose between the different versions of ChatGPT. And ChatGPT has upgraded its model with improved factuality and mathematical capabilities. ChatGPT has made more improvements to its model, including the ability to stop generating responses. ChatGPT has made general performance improvement and added conversational history. And finally, a daily message recap is being experimented with a very high quality experience. Thanks for watching.